안녕하세요. Hi everyone, this is your Korean Sim, 진아. Today's expression is, let's read. 눈, 코, 뜰 새 없다. Can you repeat after me? 눈, 코, 뜰 새 없다. Okay, so today we have an idiom combined with 눈 and 코. 없다. You know what 없다 is? 없어요. 뜰 새 없어요. 뜨다 is the basic form of 뜰. So 뜨다 is to open, to be opened. And 새 is actually 사이, so it means moment and time. So 없어요. You have no time, you have no moment to open your eyes and nose. Let's check the meaning. Here, look at her schedule. At 12:15, she works or studies. In 12:45, she meets someone, friends, and practices something. And 1:45, she's cleaning the house. So we can notice that she has really tight schedule and looks very, very busy, right? So it means to be extremely busy, not just a bit busy, it's really, really busy. So it is used when a person is extremely busy and overwhelmed with work, by work and study or everything. So why 눈, 코, 뜰 새 없다 means this. 눈, 뜨다. So you're really busy, so you actually has no time to look other things. You have to only look at the things you have to do. And you don't give any attention to others. And 코 뜨다, open your nose. It means it's really hard to breathe because you are so busy. So it actually is exaggerated. So you have no time to breathe, you have no time to watch things. So it is to be extremely busy. Okay, then let's look at the examples. A. 수업 끝나고 우리 커피 마시러 가자. Let's have coffee after the class. And B says, 미안해, I'm sorry. 수업 끝나고 바로 아르바이트 하러 가야 해. 아르바이트, part-time job이에요. So I have to go to part-time job after class. 그럼 주말에 만나서 같이 영화 볼까? Then let's see a movie on the weekend. And B says, 정말 미안해. I'm really, really sorry. 요즘 아르바이트 때문에 눈, 코 뜰 새 없어. I am too busy. 눈, 코 뜰 새 없어. Of working these days. 너무 바빠요. So I cannot hang out with you. 미안해요. Okay, you can use in this way. Number 1. Choose one with the same meaning as 눈, 코 뜰 새 없다. Number 1. 바쁘다. What is 바쁘다? It's exactly the same. 바빠요. It's too busy. 맞아요. Number 2. 여유롭다. 여유롭다. To be free. 시간이 많아요. To have much time. 시간이 많아요. 아니에요. Number 3. 빠르다. 빨라요. To be fast, quick. 아니에요. 4번. 밤새우다. 밤새우다 means to stay up all the night. So maybe you're too busy, so you might stay up all the night. But the exact meaning is 바쁘다. Okay. And number 2, 눈, 코 뜰 새 없다. Let's complete the sentence. 바빠서 제대로 밥 먹을 시간도 없어요. I have no time to eat properly because I'm too busy. 맞아요? 여기 눈, 코 뜰 새 없이 바빠요. So 눈, 코 뜰 새 없다 actually means 바쁘다. So it's the same meaning, but we in most cases we use 눈, 코 뜰 새 없이 바쁘다. I am too busy, so I cannot breathe and I cannot watch other things. 이렇게 써요. Okay, this is all for today, and I hope you all understand well. 다음 시간에 만나요.